Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. Before we begin today, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So let's begin. Today we have the Mini GT McLaren 720S GT3 EVO from 2024 IMSA Daytona 24 hours. This is from the Pfaff Motorsports team. I hope I pronounced that name correctly. Let's check quickly on the box. So this is the Mini GT number 984. On the back, you can see that this is an officially licensed product from McLaren. Let's unbox. I know I was on a long hiatus because I actually got busy with work, so had to take care of it first, but now I am back to unbox and review more diecasts. Here we go. As always guys, if you like to watch my content, then definitely give a like and subscribe my channel. Here we go. Right off the bat, there are a lot of sponsorship details on this car guys. So we can see it's we have the Motul logo, we have the Michelin. Moving ahead, we have some other brands which I don't really recognize. This is the number 9 car, and yes, we have the driveway sponsorship here and the Pfaff Motorsports logo. And yes, as you can see, this is a GTD Pro class car that's also mentioned. Let's quickly check the tires. Yes, as you can see, these roll nicely, no issues. And okay, what more do we have here? Okay, at the end we have the Michelin tire man as well, and at the top of the wheel we have the Motul logo again. Okay, overall it is nicely detailed. Let's take a quick look at the front of the car. The front of the car definitely looks nice. We have the the usual McLaren look, right? So the headlights, right? So headlights look nicely detailed for a Mini GT. Yes, definitely looks nice. We have the front grille as well. I don't know what these are called, but I guess these are flaps, I guess. But yes, please correct me if I'm wrong. And these flaps are made of plastic. Okay, those are not silicone or metal. And we have the Michelin logo here at the front, and also the Motul logo. Okay, so here's the hood of the car guys. Okay, we have the IMSA logo, driveway logo, and again the car number. Looks nice. And there's that that's checkered details, right? So that how the checkered shirt looks. Nice I will say, livery. Okay, in the windshield we can see we have wiper details. Nice touch, but internal dashboard and all does not look that much detailed. It's there, but yeah, almost none. We have the McLaren logo, of course, at the top. Here's again the Pfaff logo, and okay, McLaren Toronto. Okay, maybe it has been this is a Toronto engineering team, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, and moving towards the back of the car. Okay, that's it, not much details. Here we have the vent details, that's it. And yes, the wing, which again has the driveway sponsorship. On the sides I mentioned, I saw that okay, there's the driver names and the nationality. Again, a nice detail by Mini GT. And the mirrors are very delicate as usual, and of course they are made of rubber or silicone. Let's then check out the rear of the car. At the back, one thing which immediately caught my eye, I don't think you guys can make it on the camera. So the rear lights that you see, right? So usually those are acrylic inserts, right? But here it just looks like a plain plastic, plain red plastic, nothing else. Like the acrylic gives off a translucent feel, right, to the headlights and the backlights, but in this case these are just simple red plastics, which is actually not expected from Mini GT because they usually have acrylic inserts at the front and the back. This has the same at the front, of course, but for some reason it is not there at the back, which I guess is a letdown for some, not to me. But yeah, like Mini GT usually like is consistent with their lights, but yeah, in this case it's not the scene. Anyway, other than that, we can see the GT Pro logo, the McLaren logo, and the Pfaff Motorsports logo once more. We have the vents here and the car number as well once more. Okay, here's the rear diffuser. Do we have anything under the wings? No, that's it, same design. Then let's quickly shift to the bottom of the car. Here if you see the tires, right, the tires don't have treadings. Again, they could have done it, but okay, no. And other than that, the base that you said, of course it's made of metal, but no details. This car, guys, like, it did not win the race. It did not even, what to say, like, complete the race. Okay, like, due to mechanical issues it failed. But yeah, like, I bought it because the color definitely looks nice. I guess you will agree, right? Like, when you think of orange, I think you think of McLaren. Overall, this is a nice casting by Mini GT, except a few quirks which I mentioned in the video. Definitely you can go for it. Like, this is a good one. Let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, rolls really smoothly. And I must say that with each casting, right, Mini GT has improved the rollability of the cars. I feel that these ones roll really smoothly than the previous Mini GT castings. Okay, that's it then, guys, from this video. See you guys in the next one.